Imagine this. You walk into a room, and you trip over the carpet. Or maybe you have a tiny mustard stain on your shirt. Your heart starts racing. You feel heat rising in your neck. You are convinced that everyone saw it. You feel like you are on a stage, under a giant spotlight, and the whole world is the audience. But here is the truth. The spotlight doesn't exist. It's all in your head. This is called the spotlight effect. In 1996, psychologists proved it with a funny experiment. They forced students to wear an embarrassing T-shirt, featuring the singer Barry Manilow, and walk into a crowded room. The students were terrified. They guessed that at least 50% of the room noticed their ugly shirt. But the result? Only 20% actually noticed. The students overestimated the judgment by double. Why does our brain do this? Because you are the center of your own universe. But you forget, everyone else is the center of their universe too. While you are worrying about your stain, they are worrying about their hair, or their bills, or that thing they said 3 years ago. They aren't looking at you. They are too busy looking at themselves. This sounds depressing, but it is actually freedom. If nobody cares, you are free to dance. You are free to make mistakes. You are free to be weird. The next time you feel the spotlight burn, remember, the audience is asleep. Welcome to SifuLabs. Subscribe to turn off the spotlight.